Living at the waterfront on Venice Island, you can experience life as a true Venice Island insider. From this 8th floor condo, you'll have views like this all the way to the Gulf. This home has been meticulously cared for. 2 bedrooms with an extra office or den. Wide open space with really comfortable floor plan. And again, those views up and down the Intracoastal. The primary suite has sliders out onto that balcony and a really generous bathroom. The second bedroom is at the front of the home. The waterfront's amenities include a community pool, direct access onto the Legacy Trail, a private day dock, and of course, this perfect location right near downtown Venice, shopping, restaurants, dining, and of course the beach. Get in touch with any questions or to schedule an appointment to see this amazing home.